Take a rainy day garden tour. The blueberry patch is doing its thing. Love it. Got a little bit of netting, but blueberries are out and about. Raised beds with some like perennial edibles. A couple tomatoes and flowers thrown in the mix. Strawberry bed. Getting ready for next year. There's a whole bunch of stuff I planted in the spring or even last fall that I've just let go to seed to collect some of the seeds. So we got lots of overgrown things interplanted with some onions and leeks for the fall, some garlic that's in there. It's a mess, but it's a beautiful mess. We got a little mix, a row right here of some sunflowers and some winter squash that are just starting to kick off. Some other edible things. Yeah, girls, it's wet. It's raining. Got a second planting of cucumbers, beans, and some squash in here. And then there's the first planting of cucumbers and squash that are just starting to come online and produce. Oh my God, they're so noisy. Poppies. A little bit of poppies for fun. And we get to some peppers and some basil and some tomato plants. Beans that are just starting to produce, just starting to flower and produce some little green beans. And then, yeah, kales, and yeah, there's multiple kinds of kale here. And collard greens and some cabbage. I don't have my hopes set on the cabbage. We'll see what happens. But in the middle there's some Swiss chard. It's another planting of some zucchini and squash in this corner. And let's see, this back corner, we have some potatoes that self-started themselves, and then a late planting of some cherry tomatoes, but some eggplant. And then this is the back side of the tomatoes that are established. And I've been pruning them, taking the suckers off and trellising them. Underneath them, we've got some things that grow lower. So we've got some Swiss chard and some leeks growing under there. There's a random little mix of New Zealand spinach and Malabar spinach that grows pretty well. It's not a true spinach, but they're cooking greens that grow well in the summer. And then at the end there's some Swiss chard with some tomato plants. And then we got a whole bunch of cilantro growing right there next to some tomatoes and some onions, some bunching onions here. Oh yeah, there's more in the mix. We got the orchard. It's berry season, so raspberries, the blackberries aren't in yet, but the raspberries are starting to kick in. So we got black raspberries on this side that are all coming in underneath the pear trees. Red raspberries coming in underneath these pear trees. Chickens on pasture. Just move them onto new grass. Good morning. They're all doing their thing. Oh, and we got the peach trees doing their things. Gooseberries down here. Which I let most of them just kind of go to the birds this year. Didn't really have the stomach for gooseberries. The same thing with the black currants. Loaded up with black currants. I didn't have the stomach for it this year. Some flavors you like, some flavors you don't. Hey, chickens in the rain. Come around here to the bees. These just moved in. Man, like last week or so. Let's see inside the hive. Look at all that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six honeycombs they've been starting. You see the entrance hole on the opposite side. It's a rainy day, so they're pretty much all inside here. You still see some bees at the entrance hole guarding it. And look at those bees on the right, carrying a whole bunch of debris up this wall. They're gonna carry it towards the entrance hole and get it out of here. That's awesome. That is them cleaning up the inside of this hive, making it a sterilized womb. Love it. Yeah, so that's a little summer tour of the yard. We're the beginning of July, approaching mid-July. So yeah, it's closer to mid-July. I don't know, whatever. It's July 2025.